So I'm going to talk about Evelyn, my second daughter. So Evelyn was 9 years old when she was diagnosed with GBM stage 4, a very aggressive type of brain cancer. After that, she lived for months of intensive treatments, and in September 2017, she passed away. So in those 4 months, she never stopped showing us that beautiful smile. And those months were enough for her to show me, my family, and the people around us that despite going through a difficult situation, sharing a little of the many blessings we have makes a big difference in the lives of other people. So during her illness, I learned the meaning of empathy and the importance of family unity. And that is why in her memory and based on my own experience and needs, I create a nonprofit organization called TeamEvelyn Making Smiles Project. And that's why I'm going to talk a little about. So TeamEvelyn has 3 defined purposes, but I want to clarify that we are not limited to them only. In everything we do, our community has the main and most important role because without their help, we could not achieve any of our purposes. So the first of all is to draw smile on children who are currently receiving cancer treatments. Evelyn passed away 3 weeks before her 10th birthday. So she loved celebrating her birthday, and like any child, she loved receiving presents. So the first birthday, she was no longer present. We organized our first toy drive, and all the toys that we collect were donated to oncology department at Children's Mercy. And the response of the people was so great that we collected around 500 toys. And after such a great experience, we decided to continue doing it every year on Evelyn's birthday. And I know from my own experience how important it is for children to have a distraction when they spend a lot of time in the hospital. And a toy is not only a distraction for children, but also for parents and the entire family. And I remember those special moments that my family spent together playing board games while Evelyn was in the hospital. So we also do family adoptions at Christmas, where we bring toys and gifts to the whole family. And we collaborate with an organization called Bags of Fun, donating backpacks with toys. And one of my personal dreams is to one day be able to grant a wish to a child. Before Evelyn passed away, the Make-A-Wish organization surprised her by granting her wish to travel to Disney. That made us all start planning the trip and not thinking about the days of chemotherapy that came later. But her dream didn't come true because Evelyn passed away before the trip. So the second of our purposes is to provide financial assistance with expenses not related to treatment. We started by doing Christmas gas gift card so that parents will not have problems taking their children to medical appointments. And believe me that these medical appointments are daily and sometimes more than one in a single day. So we work directly with one of the social workers at the oncology clinic at Children's Mercy. When a family needs help with rent, bills, or food, she refers them to us and I get in touch with them to finish the process. Sometimes parents have to decide between work or staying home to take care of their child, and bill payments don't wait. So, and that's why during the year, we raise money through food sales, raffles, Zumba class, and of course, we receive donations. And I'm always looking for any opportunity to organize fundraisers so we can continue giving financial support to the families. Here are some pictures. I don't know if you can see. The third is to raise awareness in our community about childhood cancer and help through different organizations to raise funds for new treatments for children in childhood and brain cancer. So we participate in 5K walks and runs. This started when Evelyn was still with us. We signed up for an event organized by Children's Mercy called Casey Cares for Kids. The experience was so beautiful and Evelyn was so happy to see so many people together supporting her in her fight that we decided to continue doing it in her memory. These events have brought us together as a family and as a community, and we do it with the purpose of supporting and raising our voices on behalf of all those who fight against childhood cancer. So we want to make them feel that they are not alone. Here are some of the races we have participated in. If anyone would like to join us one day, just look for our team, hashtag TeamEvelyn. So if anyone wants to help, you can follow us in our Facebook page, or you can send me an email